So it's the 7th of August 2020. We're going to take a look at yesterday's session from the open, trading the Dow using the dynamic trader strategy. Now, it started off, we knew it was going to be a big moving day. There'd been some big opportunities earlier on in the session, and then we had some great claimant count data at 1:30 in the States, which really led to a big rally, sharp rally, as you can see here at 1:30, setting the tone for what is likely to be a relatively volatile day. So let's have a look through to the first opportunity. We're going to take a look at just swing trades today, and the first opportunity took place at 2:32. You don't want to be trading just before 2:30 because what often happens is you get a big candlestick, sometimes a bit of whipsaw on that first bar or two, but we get a great opportunity straight out of the gate here at 2:32. There was the buy. I say a great opportunity. It looked a bit iffy for a while, but remember the arrows that we have. If you watch these before, you'll know that the arrows is what we use as a stop loss, as a starting point for our new students here at Trend Signal on the Dynamic Trader program. And so whilst we're offside about 30 points or so for a while, the market then carries on, rallies in the direction that we want to, and that momentum resumes, if you like, up to around a 50-point winner, eventually getting knocked out by the trail here. So it goes up around 80 points, but worst case scenario, knocked out on the trailing stop there for around a 50-point winner. So that's a good start. And when you're day trading, it's about managing that session. You don't want to see yourself give those profits back, so you're then going to start to manage that session effectively and making sure it's a profitable one. Let's carry on. There was a continuation buy here, but I just want to focus on the swing trades for now, and we're going to move forward through to a sell opportunity here. It was a short at 338, 27239, and a big short that it was, and a very fast one too. Again, another explosive swing trade there, short. So we're looking for falling prices here. So we're going short and we're looking to buy it back at lower prices. 2, 4, 6, 8 minutes later, this market's about 80 points lower, 70, 80 points lower, and really nice move as well. So plenty of opportunity for profit on this opportunity also. Market then doesn't really do a whole heap for swing trade opportunities. It's chopping around, no real trades according to the rules that we teach on our trading until we get at the final buy trade for the session here. So just before 5 o'clock, 27209, we get a buying opportunity there. We can see the arrow pointing up. We can see the green lines. We're back in the top half of this price channel. Again, it's another what we call an explosive swing trade as well. And you can see how this market again really does move up very, very nicely. So from a long 27209, you can see actually, up around sort of 40, 43 points or so. If you're trailing it like a new student at Trend Signal would, it's only about a 15-point winner, but there's plenty more opportunity within that trade as well. So 3 good classic swing trades there in the opening session from yesterday, from the 6th of August 2020, and a good plenty of opportunity to take profits on those 3 trades too.
If you would like more information about trading the right way, Trend Signal is giving you the opportunity to see and hear about its services live at a free online seminar. Take a look at the Trend Signal website for the latest events and to book your free place.